Merry Christmas. Today is the second day of Christmas, 26th December 2023. And it's Boxing Day, so we are unboxing. My kids are very excited. So am I. If you know me, you know how much I use excited because it's all joy. Yes. Now there is a big box. Yes, and that's the box. The box. Yes. Unboxing this. It is a travel mug. This might give you gift ideas. It does give me gift ideas, but I love coffee. I like coffee. Love is such a strong word. I like coffee. So I think this is going to be very handy for me. It's like this gift is for me, you know. I travel a lot for work and for other things, so having a travel mug is handy. What is nice is that it came with a straw, so now it's like I want to just use it now. I like it. Yes, maybe you have a gift, you want a gift idea. This might be one for someone who loves or who travels a lot, to have it handy. Travel mug. Yes. And the packaging was nice, and the writing and everything, like, beautiful. And that is a power bank. Yes, for lights out or for traveling. You know your situation, or you know someone's situation, this can come in handy. And that was chocolate. It said hot chocolate, so I thought it was like some chocolate drink, but no. Let's see what it is. With a spoon, and there was tulips. The nice thing was it's orange tulip on it. Is nice. The Dutch would say lekker. Sumptuous, delicious. And that was crackers. It was spiced with some herbs and salt, and it was nice, tasty. And oatmeal cookies. If you like oats, you can trust me that you will like this cookie as well. It's very tasty. The final package. Yes, can you guess it? You see it, right? For this winter, it's so handy because it is a blanket, an electronic one. The card that came with it, I'm like, I'm going to read this. I got to read this. And it says that if you are not satisfied as a customer, please return this box. I'm like, I'm not returning it. I'm very satisfied at this point. But it's also said that the box in which the items came in can be cut into Christmas things, stuff. Like the reindeer, Christmas star, Christmas tree. Yes. So it had the dots that show where you should cut. Yes, that is it. That was it. And thank you well is thank you in Dutch. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes. My kids just decided that if it says let's cut it, we are going to cut it. So you see, the cutting started. We got ourselves some good job, and we did our best with it. That's it. That's been arranged. And that's the reindeer. Yes, the reindeer. Yes. Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. And a prosperous 2024. And the last box, yes. I'm reading what's on it. Do you see the chicken? This chicken seems like it will go with Ghana jollof. Anamibua. It will go with Ghana jollof, yes. It was the saucepan was heavy. Is it a saucepan? Yes. I think so. Yes, but it also came with a wooden, yes, that to place them on it. Yes, one there and another there. It was heavy. I can say that the quality was good then.